Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. We welcome to our online teaching academy Ekkalaiva. Hi children, how are you? All are fine? Children, today we are going to learn grammar. Okay? And children, you all know what do you mean by noun? What are the nouns? Noun is nothing but a name of a person, name of an animal, name of a thing, or name of an idea, or name of an animal. That is name of a person, place, things, animals, or an idea. Okay. And there are different kinds of nouns: common noun, proper noun, collective noun, abstract noun, okay, possessive noun, countable noun, uncountable noun, singular noun, plural noun. And today we are going to see common nouns and proper nouns. Shall we move, children? Yes. A noun is a naming word. It names a person, okay, and it names a place, a thing, an animal, or an idea. And always every sentence will start, that is, every sentence will be having a noun, okay. Always naming word is nothing but a noun, okay. For example, name of a place. Name of a place is Trivallur. So Trivallur means it is a noun, okay. Whether it may be a common noun or proper noun, but it is a noun. Name of a person. For example, Sita. So name of a person is also a noun. Name of a thing, pencil. It is also a noun. Name of an animal, cat or lion. It is also a noun. Idea, happiness, fun, joy. All these are nouns. Okay. Every sentence has a noun. Without a noun, we don't have a sentence. Every sentence has a noun. Okay. Children, you understood what do you mean by noun? A noun is a naming word. Okay. It may be a name of a person or place or a thing or animal or an idea. Okay. And every sentence has a noun. Common noun. Today we are going to see common nouns and proper nouns. No. What do you mean by common noun? We use a common noun for any place, person, animal, thing or idea. And always common nouns begins with a small letter. You remember children? Common nouns always begins with a small letter. Okay. And it may be a place, person, animal, thing or idea. For example, common nouns for places. Places means it may be a park or market or road or school, shop, forest. All these are called places. No, school. If I say school, it is a place. Okay, if I'm telling the name of the place, that becomes a proper noun. You understood? If I tell school, that is a common noun. If I tell name of the school, that becomes a proper noun. And if I tell generally common, I'm telling a shop. It may be any shop. No. But if I'm telling particularly a city supermarket shop, if I'm telling that, then it comes under proper noun. And forest, if I tell forest, it comes under common noun. If I am telling particularly a forest name, then it comes under proper noun. You understood? Yes. Common nouns for play people. Okay. For example, mother, aunt, uncle, sister, brother, boy, teacher. All these are people. No. But if I'm telling mother generally, it may be anyone's mother. No. But I'm speaking about mother. So it becomes a common noun. If I tell the name of the mother, then it comes under proper noun. And always common nouns begins with small letter. And proper noun begins with capital letter. Children, can you identify now? All these are small. That is, it begins with small letter, no? Yes. You can see, no? Yes. See here? Yes, sir. Okay. S starts with small letter. Then here also small. Okay. And F also small f. But if I say proper noun, it comes under, that is, it begins with capital letter. Okay. Name of the school, Shri R.M. Jain Vidyapit Matriculation School. If I say S should be in capital. If I say the name of the shop, it should be in capital. If I say the name of the forest, it should be in capital letter. Children, I understood? Yes. And common nouns for people. People means it may be mother. Mother means anyone's mother. Father, anyone's father. If I tell particularly Sita's father, then particularly I'm telling about Sita's father, then it becomes a proper noun. Okay. But now I'm telling as a mother. Then M is a small letter because it is a common noun. B is a common noun, small letter. T, small letter because it comes under common noun. Okay. If I tell boy, it is common noun. If I tell the name of the boy, Nitish, then it comes under proper noun. You understood? If I tell teacher, it may be maths teacher, English teacher, any teacher. So T, small letter. If I tell the name of the teacher, Radha teacher or Sharmila teacher. If I tell particularly the teacher's name, then it comes under proper noun. You understood? Then common noun for animals. Okay, cat, tiger, sparrow, it may be anything, but it comes under common noun, no small letter. Starting letter is small. See? C is small and tiger, T is small, sparrow, yes, small letter. Okay. But if I tell the name of the cat, if I'm having a pet animal and my pet animal's name is Rosie means then proper noun Rosie or capital letter it comes at a proper noun because I'm telling the pet animal cat's name. It is not any cat. I'm specifically telling that Rosie. Okay. But if I tell generally cat, it comes under common noun. Okay. Common nouns for things. Okay, tree, bus, book, pencil, table. These are all things, no? But if I'm telling tree means it may be any tree. No. Bus means any bus. Book, it may be any kind of book, English book or maths book, like that. Okay. But if I'm telling the name of the book, The Mystery of the Secret, if I'm telling particularly the name of the book, it comes under proper noun and starting letter is capital. But here B is in small letter. Tree, T is in small letter. B, bus, small letter. Book, small letter. Okay. Understood? Common nouns for ideas. Love, fun, fear. We don't actually common nouns for ideas. It is nothing but abstract noun. Okay. Abstract noun we don't have we can't see, we can't touch, we can't only we can feel. That's all. We can't see, we can't smell. Okay. Or we can't touch that. Okay, we can't see, smell or touch. It comes under that abstract noun, no? Like that here ideas, love, fun, fear, all these are all common noun. Okay, now you understood? Yes. Proper nouns. A proper noun is a special name of a person, a place, a thing or an animal. Proper name, all it is nothing but a special name of a person, place, a thing or an animal. It always begins with a capital letter. Children, you tell me common noun always begins with a small letter. Okay. And this one, proper noun always begins with a capital letter. You understood? Raj is playing with a ball. What is the example they have given? Raj. Raj means name of the person. So it, it is in capital letter R. Okay. And he lives in Chennai. Where he lives? He lives in Chennai. Which place? They are telling the mentioning, specifying the place. No, if I tell particular a place, it is a common noun. But I am telling specifically Chennai. Then it comes under proper noun. Raj means special name of a boy. Chennai means special name of a place. Okay, my pet cat's name is Jumpy. Jumpy means it is a special name for the cat. Okay, so J should be in capital. I use good dent to brush my teeth. I use Colgate or Pepsodent to brush my teeth. Then what is the proper noun here? Pepsodent, Colgate or good dent. Here good dent. So this is a special name for the toothpaste. If I tell generally toothpaste, it comes under common noun. But I'm using here good dent, name of the paste. No, so it comes under proper noun. You understood? Which is common noun and which is proper noun? See, you can see the Raj. Raj means it is a proper noun, and Chennai, name of the place, it is also a proper noun, starting letter capital, and Jumpy, pet names, that is cat pet name, okay? Then Good Dent, name of the toothpaste. You understood? Yes. Shall we move to the next one? Proper nouns of places include names of, okay. Actually, these are all buildings, the name of the building that comes under proper noun. For example, Qutub Minar, Taj Mahal. Okay, the Taj Mahal is a beautiful building. Name of the building, okay, name of the monument. If I'm telling the name of the monument, it comes under proper noun. Okay, roads and streets. Name of the road, Dr. Ramaswamy Road. Okay, Nelson Mandela Street. Like that, if I tell the name of the street or road, it comes under proper noun. He lives on Park Street. Villages, towns, cities, states, countries, continents, everything comes under proper noun. Name of the village, name of the town, name of the city, state, country, continent. She lives in Behumbeth in Secunderabad, or she lives in Bangalore. All these are place, name of the place, no? So it comes under proper noun. They went to Italy in Europe. Okay, Italy. So name of the place. So I should be in capital. Europe, he should be in capital. Okay, and name of the mountain, hill. Okay, the Nilgiri Hills. Name of the mountain, name of the hills comes under proper noun. Name of the mountain, Mount Everest. If I tell mountain, then it is a common noun. If I tell Mount Everest, it is a proper noun. If I tell hill, that is common noun. If I tell Nilgiri Hills, that is a proper noun. Ocean, river. If I tell ocean, river, that comes under common noun. If I tell the name of the ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, like that, if I'm telling, that is a proper noun. Okay, river. River means common noun. River Narmada, then it is proper noun. Okay, Arabian Sea, proper noun. You understood? Common noun means if I tell a monument, it is a common noun. If I tell the name of the monument, special name, Taj Mahal, then it is a proper noun. Street, common noun. Park Street, proper noun. Okay. Behumbed, proper noun. If I tell a place, city, state, that comes under common noun. Understood? Yes. And proper nouns also include names of holidays, days of the week, months of the year. He celebrates Diwali with his family. Okay, what proper nouns include? Name of the holidays, days of the week, months of the year. Okay, he celebrates Diwali or Pongal or Christmas or Ramzan, but with his family. It is a name of the holiday. Always name of the holiday starts with proper noun, capital letter. Okay, starts with capital letter and it is a proper noun. Okay, Diwali and days of the week. What are the days of the week? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. No, and all these days should come under proper noun. Okay, and the starting letter is capital. Okay, months of the year, Jan, Feb, March, all these are proper nouns, and it is very cold in December. This is a sentence. In this, which is a proper noun? December is a proper noun because it is the name of the month and starting letter is capital. You understood? Yes. Children, you understood what you mean by common noun and proper noun? Okay. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Thank you, children.